Hi everyone, I am back with today's Hangman. So we are playing this weekly game and we have been playing Hangman, and I think that the clue yesterday, I think I made it too easy because we do have a winner. Yes, we do have a winner, and I am really impressed with you guys. I really am. So the winner is actually one of my new subbies, and it's the lovely Susie L. Masri. So well done, honey. If you can email me at craftfairyfreebies@gmail.com, your address, excuse me, I can post off these goodies. And let me just fill this in because I have something else to tell you. So it was indeed the best man's, that should have been a clue, speech. Yes, it was. So that is the answer. Now, as you all did so well, I have added a little extra to this parcel. So I have, oops, just dropped them on the floor. I had 2 new dies arrived. This one here, and let me grab it. This one here, which are bag toppers. I am so into my bag toppers at the moment. I have a nice little collection going, and I have been making some bag toppers, and I have made some to put into this prize. Let me get them out for you. So I have done 3 of each, and that means that you can decorate them yourselves, and all you have to do is get like a cellophane bag, you know, like a card bag, and put whatever you're putting into it, fold it over and put your topper on the top. Now obviously you want to try and get one a little bit smaller, but that would still do okay. So I have made 3 in each colour, so there are 3 of those, and there are 3 of these gorgeous heart ones. Look how they would look at the top of the bag. Obviously you would need a smaller bag for that one. So there are 3 of each. I've also included some of the hearts that have come out from there as well, in case you want to put some on here, like so. So I'm going to include them and pop them in with this prize. So this is all going to Susie. Well done, Susie. I will have another game coming up, and it's really good fun. I like this one. I thought I'd come up with quite a good idea to make things really interesting. So watch this space. I'll be doing the video later on, probably today. And I also have some more D-stash boxes, so thank you, you know, for everyone that's shown interest in my D-stash. I have sold the 2 that I put out, but I'm going to be putting some more D-stash boxes. So if you want to grab yourself a bargain, I am having a clear out because I have too much going on. So I hope you have a lovely day. I will see you all very soon. I do have an Aliexpress haul going up today. I think I've got 2 actually, as I have been shopping on Aliexpress. Yes, and I have got lots more to show you. So I need to get on and get some work done. So all right, my lovelies, I'll see you all later. Take care. Bye bye.